Alright, I'm going to show you an old classic. This is from my mentor, Allan Ackerman. This is from his book, Las Vegas Karma. And if you don't have that book, I highly recommend that you go buy it. It's from A1 Magic Media, from Mike Maxwell. This is the one who published it. And this is called the Almost Perfect Transposition. And this is a cool effect to do, like if you're doing a gambling type of effect. What you do is you talk about blackjack, and you say it'd be nice to get the perfect blackjack hand. It seems like the dealer always gets that. You say something like that. Then you say, here's a perfect blackjack hand. I'm going to have you play the dealer. You're going to put your hand on top, protecting the blackjack hand. And then I'm going to show you I've got a 16. I always used to get like a 16. You don't know whether to hit or to hold on a 16. Obviously you probably don't want to hit on it, but if I just realize I use my magic, what I can do is I can get the perfect hand like so, and get the blackjack hand, and then you can have the 16, the dealer. So that is a perfect transposition, and now I'm going to explain to you how that works. It's a very, very cool, very simple effect. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to start off with your setup. It goes 6 of diamonds, jack of clubs, 6 of hearts, jack of spades. So we're going to use the pseudo dupes here of the 6s. And then you have the ace in the middle. So you start off and you spread over 1, 2, 3, and you do this. Okay, this is to show just only 4. Now, as you square up, you're going to get a break on the top 3, and then you're going to do the D'Amico spread. Okay, so you're going to take over the triple, and then it's like this. You spread over the bottom one. Okay. Now you can show this like this. Now you could show this like this if you want to. Okay. So you tell them to hold out their hand. Now you say, look, there's a perfect blackjack hand. Then you set that down. You're actually setting down a 6 and a jack under their hand. Okay. Now what you do is you do another D'Amico spread over here. This is going to show you have the 16. Okay. You go, that's not a good hand. The dealer gets a perfect blackjack, and what you do is you do this flourish, push through the fifth flourish. Now you buckle the bottom card so you have a double here. Then what I do is I flip over this ace. So I flip it over and then I buckle here. That's so that you can take off the double of this. And I have the deck nearby and I ditch it. So the deck is nearby, so the way I ditch it is I just set these down like this, okay, on the deck in here, okay, just as you're sliding this over. So that's how you ditch the extra 6. Then you snap, you turn over, and they have the 16, and you have the blackjack. So it's a very nice, very beautiful transposition. Enjoy that.